How to purl. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit the purl stitch the fast and efficient continental way. So let's purl a couple of stitches together. To knit the purl stitch, the yarn should be in front. And now insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle from right to left. And now wrap the yarn around the needle counterclockwise and tension the yarn with your middle finger and pull it through and drop it off the needle. Here's your first purl stitch. Let's do it one more time. Insert from right to left, wrap around counterclockwise, tension the yarn with your index finger and pull through and drop. One more time. Insert from the right to left, wrap and tension and pull through. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. And of course, you can go much faster with this technique. So if you practice quite a lot, I think you can purl at tremendous speeds. And it's always the same, just insert from right to left and then wrap the yarn counterclockwise. And that's how to knit the purl stitch.